Man, no, guys, I am not at a Snoop Dogg concert. This is Ace with Buzzwire Media, and this is actually the fog and smoke that is coming out of this Smoke Ninja, and it is phenomenal. Let's get right into the video. I hope you enjoy. Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Ace here from Buzzwire Media and PodLab Studios, bringing you another awesome unboxing video. Today, we've got something super cool, the Smoke Ninja by PMI, and it is the starter kit. As demand for food photography is skyrocketing, I had to get this bad boy for my project. Not only that, I'm excited to actually use this for other photography and video gigs too. So let's get this unboxing started. All right, boys and girls, this is the Smoke Ninja Starter Kit by PMI. Here it says Amateur Photographer Awards 2024 Specialist Accessory of the Year. Very cool. On the side of the box, it says Professional Choice for Photography. Flipped over, Photographer's Dream. That's pretty cool with a bunch of different different photos with different effects. So this is the starter kit. I'm kind of kicking myself in the ass for not spending the extra, I don't know, 40 bucks or so, getting the kit that actually comes with like the attachments, but we'll see. All right, so there's the box. Also comes with a set of instructions. Okay, let's see here. Oh, that's flipped over. And it also comes here with the cloud formula. All right. What's this little bad boy here? Okay. So this is the only attachment it comes with, unfortunately. I'm gonna look around. Maybe somebody can mention something in the comments, but there's that little sponge-like piece. Maybe we can figure something out in place of that. Or the tubes. I'm sure there's a standard size operating tube, or standard tube that we could find like in a Home Depot or something for these. So maybe we can get creative. If anybody's actually done any really cool ideas, by the way, for that, please let me know. I'd love to see it, or, you know, send a link over. So boom, here's the Smoke Ninja device. Okay, it's compact, solid. Matte finish, feels great in the hand, actually, for those intricate shots that we need in photography. This seems like it could be really cool. All right, so next up here is the smoke chamber. This is where all the magic happens. So there's a little trigger here that you take it up, and you can see here the smoke chamber. This is where all the magic happens. Even distribution of smoke is key for getting those killer effects, and I really like what they're doing. And from the feedback that I've gotten in general, it seems like these are doing the best job. All right, so that's basically it. So you get these pieces here. This is the starter kit, which is cool, and I'm gonna go ahead and go through this a little bit, and then maybe take a couple cool shots. And let's go ahead and fill this up. Now with this stuff, this is the cloud formula. It's not saying, okay, so vegetable glycerin, propylene glycol. So if anybody knows or has experience using this, is it okay to use other types of fog gear? All right, we're gonna fill this bad boy up, and I believe we're gonna go ahead and put this back on. All right. Now we go ahead and put the cover back on. And I really, it feels very good in the hand. It's very durable. By the way, I didn't even take this off. There's actually a chamber. There's a cover here for your battery that you could take out. I did pre-charge this. All right. So we're we're gonna put this back in the box. And same thing with the liquid. All right. We're gonna take this cap off, put the cap back over here. Let's read the operation modes. So basic operation, press power button 3 times to turn the machine on and off. There's fog, dry ice, and steam. After selecting the output mode, simply press the trigger button to start making smoke. All right, easy enough. So it says fog goes 60 seconds, dry ice 30 seconds, steam 120 seconds. So let's see what it looks like. Let's get this rolling. All right, by the way, guys, I'm gonna wait here about 10 minutes. I'm gonna take a little 10-minute break here and come right back. I'm gonna just allow, the reason for that is I wanna make sure that the chamber is completely soaked, and so that we don't have any issues down the road. A lot of people make that mistake. Go back to my camera. Okay, so one thing to know, a lot of people make the mistake of filling the chamber and then using the unit immediately. Please, guys, do not do that. I'm not sure whether they tell you to or not. I believe I saw it somewhere, but I just know that in general from vapes and from mods, you're supposed to let the chambers soak in the liquid. You're supposed to allow the chamber to soak in the liquid properly. And typically even they would say, hey, wait at least 10, 15 minutes to just allow it to sit and settle and make sure that it's evenly soaked. Anyways, we're gonna try this out in a little bit. Very good self-defense device. Oh my gosh, hold on. I didn't even do the sniff test. Hold on here. Okay, I'm not getting a smell from the box like I thought. But I am getting a smell from I got that old Nintendo plastic. Like it smells. I wonder if the games still smell like that Nintendo cartridge, that Nintendo factory smell. So there you have it. Everything that is included in this starter kit for the Smoke Ninja by PMI. I am actually really excited to use this thing, and I can't wait to use it for food photography, product photography, maybe even video projects in general. This is going to be really cool. Another great idea is I do have clients in the marijuana industry, so it is possible that we might use this for some of their stuff as well. So let's do this. Let's check out and see what else we can create with this. Just mess around. I got a couple of these little figurines that my daughter's left here. I'm gonna go ahead and use those as props. Also, I'm gonna be using the V-Flat World Duo boards. So check that out as promised from the previous video if you're actually here because of that. Anyways, I'm gonna use one of my kids' toys to show off the 3 styles of smoke that this thing can produce. So sit tight, I will be right back. I'm gonna let this thing breathe for about 10 minutes, soak in actually for 10 minutes, and then we'll be right back. We do have a current over here. So also I would highly recommend when you guys are using this thing, make sure to turn off any ventilation, wind, within bounds, of course, but that does seem to have an effect. So if you have different things on, then that seems to have an effect here. All right, let's see. So now we're going on to steam. I think the best thing you can do is definitely turn off the ventilation systems. Oh yeah, there we go. Nothing to move it around. Doesn't really have a particular smell. Wow. Very cool. I like that. Ooh, ooh. Oh. Oh yeah. Very cool. So I've been noticing a lot of people have been wondering about 3 companies here. You got these, which are the Smoke Ninja. You also have the Ulanzi, that's pretty hot on the market as well right now. And then you have the Lensgo, the S, B, and Mini. And I could tell you by far the quality, the build of the unit, this is by far the nicest build. From what I see, this disperses more fog in each of its 3 different styles. I've noticed that this one is amazing, and I really should do a review on all 3. Unfortunately, I've kept this one. I don't know if Ulanzi has done an upgrade or they got something coming out in that regard. I would love to compare, so if they'd like, I'm game. But otherwise, right now, I think that this unit is by far the best unit, the highest quality build, and I believe the strongest output. As far as the time is concerned, I believe that the Lensgo has the best battery. The Ulanzi FILMOG has a very limited battery from what the run times are saying, unless that's just something that's realistic. So I have to really play around with this a little bit more. As far as the liquid is concerned, I mean, I just used a lot of it and it barely took, any. So I'm guessing that the fog liquid that they use in this is a little bit proprietary, and it's super thick and it seems to last a long time. In the meantime, I have the starter kit version. I don't know. I'm really debating on just getting the kit. If $50 is gonna separate you between this and another unit, you should really consider what you're doing in that industry, because look, a good photo session with one of these will land you, could land you anywhere from a few $100s on, and just 1 or 2 sessions will pay for itself, the cost of the actual unit. To me, here's the thing: if you look at reviews, you have a lot of mixed reviews on a lot of other units, and this just seems by far the most solid. The reviews are pretty good on this. It's very well received. Everybody calls this the standard. Everybody that's in film or in video, a lot of people, the majority, the professionals, are using this unit. And after getting it and unboxing it here, I could see why. It's amazing. So out of the 3, out of the Lensgo, Smoke S, and Smoke B, okay, well, let's just compare the Smoke B here and this unit and the FILMOG Ace. I would definitely take this one over those, because saving the extra $50 is not worth it. And I had been looking at a ton of different videos, and I want to see if it was just me, but you could see from a bunch of different videos that they're all comparing themselves to this unit. Well, there's a reason. So if that's the measure of something being really good, then PMI, you guys did a hell of a job. Smoke Ninja. All right, guys. So after playing around with this and having some experience with the other 2 big brands, the Lensgo, Ulanzi, I would have to say that this unit is still at the top. This is the king right here. Now, the trick is with any of these units, you're gonna definitely not want any fans on or ventilation on. It's gonna take a while to fill up a room or whatever. Especially like right now, I'm in the warehouse, so it's a big space. There's a lot of area for it to spread, but yeah, I would make sure to try to contain like airflow, and you should be good. I mean, this is to me, this is more than enough. Maybe the other I would have liked the remote. I would have liked to have the sponge. I think that does maybe play a role. So I don't know. I'm really debating it. PMI, if you hear this, hey, if you want to send one over, I'd love to do a review on it properly. All right, guys, until next time. Peace.